Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A3 key battery. This is a simple process you can do at home in just a few minutes. First, gather your tools. You'll need one new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common 3-volt battery. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to help open the key fob. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in so you don't misplace any tiny components. Now let's open up your key fob. Look closely at the side of your Audi A3 key. You'll find a small slot, often near the key ring attachment. Take your small flathead screwdriver or a coin and carefully insert it into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Remember to be gentle here. We want to avoid any damage to the plastic casing. The two halves should separate with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll easily spot the old coin cell battery nestled inside. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, using your small screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. It should pop out without much resistance. Take your brand new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your Audi A3 key fob. Make sure they fit together perfectly, then gently press them until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, it's time to test your work. Go to your vehicle and try locking and unlocking the doors using the key fob buttons. Confirm that all the buttons respond correctly and your key is fully functional again. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.